Alright guys, tonight I'm making my friend a vegetarian meal from Trader Joe's. We're gonna have some veggie burgers, a Caesar salad, and sweet potato fries. So I think right now I'm gonna start making the Caesar salad. Here's the Caesar salad. I'm gonna mix everything together. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to toast up these Trader Joe's hamburger buns in the oven. I don't have a toaster, guys, so I'm going to just toast them in the oven. So I love burgers with toasted buns. That's my favorite, guys. Alright, the buns came out really toasty. Now we're going to add some mayonnaise, ketchup, lettuce, tomato, pickles. Do you want mayonnaise and ketchup?
Yeah.
You do? Okay, yeah. Cool. All right, now for the sweet potato fries, we're going to bake them in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes. So you haven't had these before, Jean?
I've had sweet potato fries, but not from Trader Joe's.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Do you want me to show the package?
Yeah, close-up package. I don't know how many should I don't know how many. How much, like, is that good?
Oh yeah, that's enough.
That's enough. All right, so you see the close-up. I'm gonna put in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes.
Okay.
All right, why don't you film? You can film me put it in the oven.
Okay.
All right, so this is this tomato from Safeway. I'm gonna wash it real fast. And then we're gonna... How many slices do you want? One or two?
Two.
Okay. This is a what do you call those tomatoes? It's not a Roma tomato. I forgot what it's called, but it's like really fresh.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure. I can't remember what it's called. But like if you smell it, it smells good, right? It's like a fresh.
Yes, it does.
Follow me here. So I have my friend Jean filming me. She has never filmed me before, right? You never filmed me before.
No, this is the first time.
So we're adding the tomatoes to the veggie burgers, guys. This is how you do that, you know. And now we're just gonna wait for the fries to cook. I'll probably start the veggie burgers in 10 minutes. All right, guys, so we put lettuce, tomato, and pickles on it. Now we're just gonna wait for the sweet potatoes, and I'll start the veggie burger soon. All right, so these are the veggie burgers we're gonna make. I have some olive oil heating the pan right there. And so yeah, they just bake them, or you fry them for a couple minutes. You had these before, Jean?
Yes, I have.
Do you fry them too?
No, I usually put them in the microwave.
So Jean puts these in the microwave. I don't recommend that. They taste really good fried.
Yeah, probably better.
You're gonna wait and see. Do you eat it with bread?
Yes. Or sometimes I just eat the patties with the salad.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna fry them for about 2 minutes on each side. That's a good crisp amount. You want them brown and crispy like that?
Yeah, it looks good.
So I don't even know if you can microwave this. Can you? Does it say?
Maybe I don't.
Yeah, it is say you can microwave this. So, Jean, you go to Trader Joe's every day, right?
Yes, I do.
What do you get there?
Let's see. Today I got pineapple, raisins, pumpkin bisque soup, and sour cream.
Oh, pumpkin bisque soup. Is that good?
I like it, yeah.
I've seen that advertised.
It's a little bit sweet.
So here's one.
Boy, that looks good. See, what did I eat today? I had half of a almond meal muffin for breakfast, and then I had pineapple for lunch.
Wow, fruit?
Yeah, from Trader Joe's.
Yeah, so my friend Jean's trying to lose weight. How much have you lost so far?
6 pounds.
You're not running up. By the
For
way,
me, that's good because I sleep eat.
oh yeah, she sleep eats. I guess that's how she gains weight. I don't think she's that fat at all, to be honest.
Well, I've got a muffin top.
She feels like she has a stomach bloat or something. So if you ever want to make this in a stove, this is how you do it. Just make them they're really crispy. They taste really good that way. All right, you want to give me the plate? That looks amazing, huh?
That looks great.
Sweet potato fries should be done. Yeah, they're kind of crispy.
Woo, they look good.
You haven't had these before, right?
Out from Trader Joe's.
They're really good.
Looks you got your cord in there.
I mean, I like them. Oh. Alright guys, here's our vegetarian meal. Caesar salad, veggie burger, sweet potato fries. Looks amazing, right? Alright guys, let's try this veggie burger. I've actually never had this in a hamburger form.
Oh, really?
So when I usually just want to, eat healthy, I'll just make a veggie burger and like a vegetable, so.
Right.
But I'm excited. I've been thinking about this today. Like, I'm really excited to try this veggie burger. Okay. Guys, it's very good. Good, huh? The bun from Trader Joe's is really good too.
Yeah. It is.
It's very fresh. So let's try some of these sweet potato fries. You like them, right?
Yeah.
I like them with ketchup. Jean doesn't like them with ketchup, but
they're moist. They don't really need the ketchup.
I just love ketchup. Crispy. Really good. Might have to overcook them, but
No, not at all.
I mean, kind of, because if you cook them like the right time,
Yeah.
they're not as crispy. So that's why I did it. It's a little bit more crispier.
Oh, I see.
But one time I fried them, thought they taste better, but they don't.
Oh, really?
It's so weird. They taste so much better in the oven.
Oh, wow. I'll
Yeah.
have to get a little pan like that so I can do that.
Yeah, you have a pan? Why not?
Well, no, I have a cookie pan. I could use a
Oh.
cookie pan. But that little glass pan is cute.
Oh, my pan. I don't know what that down. Maybe try it. I can't remember. But I can make these sweet potato fries, or you could add like another vegetarian option at Trader Joe's. Like this could be your like your side item. You know.
Right. It's really good.
It's like really crunchy. It's really good. The salad might be kind of like, I don't know how fresh it tastes. I've been sitting it out for a while, so the dressing. It's good though.
It's delicious.
Like it. Alright guys, that's going to end the video today. I just wanted to show you what I was with my friend. A vegetarian meal from Trader Joe's. I thought you guys want to see the video, and it's really good. Anything you want to add? Just really enjoy it.
It's really good.
It's really good.
Yeah, it's really good.
It's really good.
I like the way you cooked everything.
Yeah, Gene doesn't eat a lot of stuff. He eats a lot of microwave, so. So, yeah, I mean, I enjoy cooking, so. Alright guys, have a great day. Peace. Say peace.
Peace.